So you guys, I'm back. I'm finally going to do the virgin Brazilian slightly wavy hair, and I told you that I was gonna do like the quick weave system. A lot of people got mistaken and thought I was gonna use glue, but no, I just sewed it onto like a mesh cap, and this is what it looks like. Very tiny. It took me two BET movies to do it. That's how I remember the time. I don't remember exactly the span time, but I know it took me 2 movies to do it. And that's the inside. It is mesh capping, so you can see my fingers. But I showed you guys the cap in the other video when I did the initial hair video. And yes, this is all of the hair. I used every last bit of hair. I didn't leave any hair out. I only cut one track, and that was the one that was here going around the inside of the track, well, the cap wig thing. But yeah, that's how it looks. That's how it looks. And I sewed it really close together. If you can see the thread, I just sewed it, and don't mind the little edges pieces because that's gonna get covered. But yeah. So you can see how I braided my hair. See, you left out the sides, left out the sides, left out that part. Hair is braided back down. I don't know how it looks because I didn't have a mirror. It's just braided and sewn on together. So yeah, you can get started. I hope this turns out right. I'm just gonna place it on my head. And that's how it's gonna fit. So yeah, here's my thread. Got my thread and needle all ready to go. My mirror, so you can see what I'm doing. And start here, I guess. See how it's gonna go down. And I'm just gonna probably do it the same way she did it. Alright, you guys, I'm back, and I finished sewing it to my head, and this has to be the worst sewing job as far as sewing it on my head that in the history of sewing hair. I swear, it was just, it's horrible. But as long as this part straight, I'm good. I'm just gonna take out my hair, which is already tangled up, starting to mat out, taking out my braids. Okay. Comb that out. Doing good. I'm going to take my heat protectant spray and go crazy. Ooh, alright. Put the ends. My sides. This side. I'm going to let that dry a little bit because I did spray a lot. I want to make sure nothing's get burnt. So, I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm about to flat iron my hair with the hot and silky little mini flat iron. It's first time using it, so this can double as like a review. So it's really hot. Split that in half. Okay. So now I'm gonna like try and mimic the waves. Just turn it. Give it a little curl or something.
All you gotta do is combine this part with this part.
Woo. Do not touch this part. Usually when you touch flat, you hold flat irons like that. But I don't know. These plates are just as hot as the ceramic plates. So I wouldn't advise you to touch it unless you like the burn. Okay. Not so good at curling. Okay, so I'm gonna come back when I'm finished flat iron, but you can see how straight it has gotten. Now I am having a hard time to kind of curl with it because it's so small and I'm not used to it. So I'll be back with the finished part. So I gave up on trying to put some waves in my hair with the flat iron because I just don't know how. So that little mini flat iron, the hot and silky one, yeah. The one thing, I mean, it's good as far as you can see how good to straighten my hair, but it doesn't have a temperature you can adjust. It's just one, which is just high, 410 degrees. That's what it said on the box. So this is what I ended up with. So I might just like twist my hair into the weave overnight and then just open it in the morning and hope that it's good. So I'm gonna cover this up. You can see edges. So yeah. This is the hair installed. Very pretty, wavy. I like it. Still no shedding. My hair blends very well, color wise, wave wise. No. But yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. This is my Virgin Brazilian install. And I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's the next morning. And I just wanted to come and show you how the hair is looking. Of course, the 16-inch was still frizzy. It has to be wet. Some kind of moisture has to touch it for it to get its curls back. So I put some QP H2 leave-in conditioner and John Frieda's Dream Curls, Frizzy's Dream Curls. I put some of that and kind of scrunch it up. So this is how it looks. So yeah, just wanted to show you what it looks like the day after. But yes, it's early and I'm getting ready to go to school. Honey bun for breakfast. Yeah, I know it's bad, but it's quick. So I'll talk to you guys. This is the hair, and yeah.